Hello, welcome to the Very Curious channel. Hi, sorry I'm not like, I'm trying so hard, I'm just really tired today. My kid didn't sleep, but I've got some time to record this video, or at least this intro to the video, so here we are. It's real, it's raw, it's Curie. Welcome! I'm so glad you're here. This is the Very Curious channel. We do artsy things, we do Jesus things, and it may seem a little bit random, but I promise you it is not. It's very intentional. Today, I'm going to be making a journal cover, okay? This is my old one, I finished it, and I need to do a cover on this new one. So, yeah, I'll list all the materials, you don't have to worry about it. We're gonna talk about how great it is to write in journals and how great it is to just make things in general. So, let's get into it, shall we? Okay, to start off, you're obviously going to need a composition notebook, and I've got a bunch of random magazines and paper scraps that we're going to go through. And as we start the process, I'm just flipping through the magazines and tearing out the pages that I like. Like, I'm not thinking about like, oh, this is exactly how I want to do this. I didn't plan it out. I'm just like, oh, this is kind of speaking to me. I'm going to tear it out and put it to the side. Nothing super crazy about it. I even have the book, like, oh my gosh, I hate book sleeves. I don't know why, guys. I hate them. So I had The Honeybee. It's an amazing book. It's fantastic. Figured I would use it for collage, and here I am using it. But after I've got like all my paper, I just start cutting the things out that I see and maybe want to use. Sometimes they're whole pictures, like this one. I just loved the whole thing. I didn't want to cut it up. And then I just separate it out and kind of lay it out to see what is talking to me. And this right here for sure was starting to talk to me. So I'm going to let you just like watch this process. It's pretty fun. So as you're watching, I just kind of wanted to chat a little bit about like journaling in general. I know people talk about it all the time. They're like, oh yeah, write a journal. It's for generations. It's so good for you and everything. And guys, it really is, but more than you think. I'm not thinking about my future generations reading my journals. Heaven forbid. Oh my gosh, it sounds a little terrifying, but journals keep my mind clear. I can like process my thoughts and my emotions so much better when I write in my journal. And I don't even write in my journal super, like not every single day. I'm not super consistent with it. I write down impressions that I have. I write down things I've been thinking about that have just been on my mind, and like slow hand writing things down almost like slows your brain down, and it's like focusing in on things that are actually important. It's really cool. So if you have not journaled before, my invitation is to start. And I cannot remember who the challenge was by. I'll probably leave it in the show notes. But she talks about artists and creatives in general, just like sitting down every morning for about 15, I think it's not even 15 minutes. I think she says like 10 minutes. Like it's not even a long time, right? I'm going to say 15 to 20 minutes, and you just write whatever comes to mind. And this is part of her teaching. This is part of her like workshops and whatnot. I did not do them, but I'm like, oh yeah, no, that's a great idea. I need to start journaling again. And I kid you not, like it's life-changing. So my invitation to you, if you do not journal and you're like, how the heck do I even start? Well, it just takes a little bit of discipline and a little bit of like, okay, I'm going to set a timer and I'm going to sit down for like 10 minutes every morning, and I am going to write whatever comes to mind. And soon things will start flowing. You'll start to notice like your brain gets a little less noisy. You're able to like just think. It's fantastic. And if you're into creative writing, also like a fantastic use of your time. Creative writing is not only being creative, but it's like it's another way to just process your thoughts and emotions, right? Like we have so many of them all the time, and we need to figure if you're not going to therapy, if you can't afford therapy, if you're just like not into it, being creative is one of the most amazing alternatives to that. So, journaling. I will always, always, always advocate for it. Don't think about who's gonna read it. Just this is for you. Just be selfish. It's for you. And like, why not have a super cute cover that you made, right? All right, so you see me here. I'm using some paint markers. I think the gold one is like oil based. Super love them. And I was half tempted to like get out some paints too, but I didn't. So when you're making collages, like don't limit what you're using. You can use whatever you want, right? Like you can whip out the paints. You can get out the acrylic, sorry, not the acrylic paints, but the oil pastels. You can get out, your paint markers. You can get out stickers. You can get out colored pencils, whatever you want. In fact, for the inside cover and the back, I literally opened up my sketchbook, found a page that was just kind of like whatever, and I was like, oh, this is a perfect background. I'm going to use this. So if your brain is like, oh, I don't know what to do here, I don't know, go like snoop around your house and be like, what can I glue and paste to this? You'd be surprised at what you find. So along with images that I like in magazines, I really like looking for words or phrases, words that I can piece together to make a quote, whatever, you know. It's there's a really cool way to write poetry where you see words and you cross out all the other ones and you just like leave the highlighted ones, if that makes sense. Like here, I'm piecing together and it says the relationship with God, right? Like it spoke to me in the moment. Like I want to have a better relationship with God. And here, there's just a full quote, but I didn't end up using it. That's totally fine. So play with words. Play with words and play with just letters even. Making words. Like it's so, 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 so fun. You're just kind of piecing a fun puzzle together. Okay, so for the back, the inside back cover, I was having a hard time. Like you can see me, I went back to the magazines and I just started cutting out like all the pictures of Jesus that I liked. And here I am just like, oh yeah, I like this one. I like this one. I like this one. And then I'm just like, I put them all to the side because I'm like, no, that's not it. And here's where I pull my sketchbook out, right? Like I have so many good things in here. And I found this. Like it totally worked. And I was stoked about finding it. So honestly, one of the hardest things for me making these is the tiniest perfectionist inside of me. I have not found a better way to get the edges like cleaner, but I try my best. Try my best. Glue things down and then trim them to size. But anyways, yeah. Look at that. So now I'm going to seal it with Mod Podge. On my other one, I used the clear packing tape that I just showed you, but I didn't want those streaky lines. So we're using Mod Podge. And welcome back. My goodness, I am obsessed with how this turned out. Like, I did not have a plan in mind. I was literally just going for it. I wanted to be creative. I wanted to just see what came. And this, like, I can't stop looking at it. I think I'm gonna scan this and make it a print. I love it so freaking much. But yeah, the back turned out great. I've never done the inside covers before, but I'm super loving that. Yeah, super cool. I had an idea. There's a couple ideas. One, if you want to make these, it's a lot of fun with a group of people, like getting a few friends together. You got snacks, you got your collage stuff and composition notebooks. Make it a party, right? Make some fun journals. My second idea, I really enjoyed making this and I want to make more, and I'm playing around with the idea of putting them on my Etsy shop. If you are interested in me like creating more for purchase, leave a comment, because I think that would be fantastic. The cool thing is that they're all going to be different and unique, and none of them are going to look the same. So it's like, you know, your own personal art on a journal. So let me know in the comments. Seriously, I would love to know if you're interested in that. Thank you so much for watching. It means a whole lot. If you are not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and share this video with a friend. Maybe you want to do that journal making party with. Give me a thumbs up. You know, interaction is good. It's so good. And I appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. Remember that Jesus loves you and art is awesome. So go make some. Go make some. You'll feel a lot better. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.